CBSE and ICSE has released the result of class 12th board exams. Now students who belong to science background are clear that they have to opt for either JEE or NEET exams. Also, students who belong to commerce background are also clear with the exams they have to opt for. But there are many students who doesn't clear with their career. Rather, they are in confusion that what to do, what not to do. So this video is for students who are from commerce background. So go through this video till the end where we are going to tell you about career opportunities and scope after class 12 in commerce stream. All of us have these type of myths while we thought of commerce. Students unable to score well enough to opt for science go for commerce. With commerce, I have only limited career options such as CA, CS and BCom. Only students from a business class family background should go for commerce. But it's not like that. While the long-standing norms for selecting streams in our country have dictated that toppers and academically gifted students naturally drift towards science, it is a practice that is fast being overturned. Students today are proactively opting for commerce stream regardless of their academic standings. So, if you are looking to opt your stream after 10th or have already opted for commerce and are unsure of your career path, we will provide you the exciting and demanding career opportunities that the commerce stream holds. So number 1 is actuarial science. Actuarial science is a field dealing with the analysis of risk across various fields such as insurance, business, finance and healthcare. Professionals in this field called actuaries employs mathematical equations, statistics and financial theories to determine risk and uncertainties associated with various future events that can impact business. To this end, they collect statistical data, conduct analysis and design and implement numerous business strategies. Their work can thus involve designing and determining the pricing of the insurance policies, establishing the amount of liabilities, etc. It is one of the emerging career options and is extremely lucrative on the monetary front. Paths to pursue actuarial science. You are required to clear the Actuarial Common Entrance Test (ACET). After clearing your entrance, you can register at the Institute of Actuaries of India (IAI). There are 15 exams in total conducted by IAI. However, you can start working as an actuary after clearing only 4 to 5 exams. The most beneficial graduation streams for this career including mathematics, statistics and BCom. Commerce without mathematics. Although there is no rule barring non-mathematics students from pursuing their career, such students are likely to face difficulties as this is a highly numerous and data-driven field. Number 2 is management. Management is the coordination, planning, forecasting and organizing of a company's process to ensure effective functioning and growth. It is another popular career route with a relatively reliable career progression. It is a broad field that allows you the opportunity to select from different roles and specializations, including operations, marketing, HR, finance, international business, sales, etc. Career opportunities in management. Management being a highly versatile degree, you can find various national and global opportunities in domains such as consulting, general management, human resources, marketing, sales, strategy, operation management, supply chain management, finance, etc. Paths to pursue management. To go into the domain of management, you need to pursue a graduation in any field, preferably BBA, BMS, followed by an MBA. Commerce without mathematics. There are some institutes such as DU, NMIMS, among others, that have an eligibility criteria that requires mathematics for a BMS and BBA course. However, there are many other colleges that do allow non-math students such as IIM Indore, St. Xavier College, Christ University, etc. Top UG colleges for management. Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Delhi, IIM Indore, Delhi Universities, various colleges, NMIMS Universities, Mumbai, Symbiosis International University, Pune. Number 3 is economics. It is the study of production, transfer and use of goods, services and resources. It is a research-oriented career and would require you to learn and make use of various theories, principles and models. Economists conduct various researches and analyze data to predict market trends, build economic theories and models, and make recommendations for resolving economic issues. The field has an extremely positive future outlook as there is a huge demand for qualified economists in consulting firms, private banks as well as public sectors, both in India as well as abroad. Career opportunities in economics. Professional opportunities in this field including working as an economist, statistician, strategist, risk management analyst, operational research analyst, insurance underwriter, budget analyst, etc. Path to pursue economics. To make a career in this field, you have to pursue bachelor's either in BA and BSc economics, bachelor's of business economics or a major in economics, following which you can pursue a master's in economics. Commerce without mathematics. Most of the top colleges for economics require you to have a maths background in order to eligible for the course. This rule has been made keeping in mind the strong relationship of economics with maths and research. There are, however, some colleges that do allow you to pursue economics without maths. Some top UG colleges for economics: Sri Ram College of Commerce, SRCC Delhi; Lady Sri Ram College, LSR Delhi; HR College of Economics and Commerce, Mumbai; St. Xavier College, Mumbai; St. Stephen's College, Delhi; Loyola College, Chennai; Ferguson College, Pune. Number 4 is Chartered Accountancy or CA, one of the most well-known and popular career path for commerce students. Chartered Accountant (CA) is an internationally recognized professional certification conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India (ICAI). A chartered accountants work across various domains of businesses such as audit, taxation, investment, finance, etc. to increase the profitability of the firm. Career opportunities for CA. You can find professional opportunities in government and private organizations in roles such as auditing, tax consulting, corporate finance, investment banking, etc. Path to pursue CA. After your 12th standard, you need to go through the following steps to become a chartered accountant. Step number 1. Register yourself with the ICAI and clear the Competency Professional Test or CPT. Step number 2. Clear the Integrated Professional Competence (IPC) course exam in one or both groups. Step number 3. Undergo articleship for a 3-year under a practicing CA or a CA firm. Step number 4. After or during the completion of your articleship, clear the CA final to gain your CA certification. Commerce without mathematics. It is not mandatory to have a maths background, but it can prove highly beneficial. Number 5 is Company Secretary or CS. Company Secretary is a professional course administered by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India (ICSI). The company secretaries take care of efficient administration of a company, particularly with respect to ensuring legal and statutory compliance and government-related issues such as ensuring that the decisions of the board of directors are implemented. Their jobs involve giving advice on conducting businesses, dealing with situations involving conflicts of interest, suggesting ways to prepare financial reports, developing corporate strategies, assisting in planning, and advising on company law. Career opportunities for CS. You can work with both public and private sector organizations and render services in areas such as legal, secretarial and corporate governance, corporate restructuring, foreign collaborations and joint ventures, arbitration and conciliation, financial management, project planning, capital market and investor relations, corporate advisory services, etc. You can also set up independent practice in these areas. Path to pursue CS. There are 3 stages in CS course: Foundation Program, Executive Program and Professional Program. After passing the Executive Program, you have to undergo 15 months of practical training. On completion of the program and its requisites, you will join as an associate member for ICSI and will be given the designation of Associate Company Secretary (ACS). Commerce without maths. This career doesn't require a maths background. These are some of the top courses which you can pursue as a commerce student. This is a part 1 of the top courses for commerce students. Stay connected with us to get updated with part 2.